Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to disable fast startup in Windows 11. This can help fix boot issues or allow full shutdowns. First of all, open Control Panel, press Windows plus S. After that, type Control Panel and open it. After you have opened the Control Panel, go to the Power option. Click on Hardware and Sound and go to the Power option. Here, as you can see, here is the Hardware and Sound option. Here is the Hardware and Sound option. Click on that. Then go to the Power option. After going on Power section, choose what the power buttons do. Choose what the power buttons do on the left menu. As you can see here, the left menu, you can see choose what the power button does. Click on it and you will see the what actually power button do to it. Then change setting data currently unavailable. Click change setting data currently unavailable. At the top you will see the setting data currently available at the top. Then disable fast startup. Under shutdown setting, uncheck turn on fast startup. Click and save changes. After that, you can turn on the fast startup from here, clicking here, and you can simply save changes from the below. And that's it. Fast startup is now disabled, ensuring your PC fully shut down every time. If this helps, like, subscribe and hit the bell for more Windows 11 tips, and I'll see you in the next one.